Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, this is our fifth meeting. So we don't do video conference using Gmeet or Zoom this week because it's Maulid Nabi and for another class for class V it's because it's your turn for not having Gmeet. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there will be a text actually about dangerous animals. But before we read the text, just look at these questions, just a glimpse. Okay. Number one, make a list of dangerous animals and compare your list with your partner. Do you have the same animals? So I guess everyone has their own, the most animals that they think, right? Okay, you can think of crocodile or anything like that. Okay. Number two, do you know the names in English of the animals in your list? If you don't know the English, you can just look up the dictionary or check on the internet about that. Okay. Because I don't know what you think about the most dangerous animals according to you. And number three, are there dangerous animals in your country? Are there? Yes, sure. We have those ones. It's Indonesia. Okay. Okay, look at these three pictures. The first one is you can see it's jellyfish, yeah, but this type is the most dangerous jellyfish. Number two is mosquitoes, a mosquito. Number three is hippo. Okay, so let me read. Okay, the world's deadliest animals. What do you think are the most dangerous animal in the world? Sharks, snakes, lions. These animals are very dangerous, it's true, but they are certainly not the most dangerous. Well, when we think that sharks is really dangerous, it's not the most dangerous, according to research, yeah. So, yeah, the first one is actually hippos. In cartoons, hippos are usually slow, happy, and comical, but real hippos are bad tempered and aggressive and are certainly more dangerous than lions and tigers. Hippos spend all day in the mud, okay, of rivers and lakes, but they leave the water at dusk to eat 68 kilograms of grass. Hippos are very heavy, some are about 3,000 kilos. However, they can run faster than an Olympic sprinter and they don't like people. Hippos kill more people in Africa than any other animal actually. Okay, number two B, jellyfish. It's box jellyfish. The name is box jellyfish. This is the most dangerous. So when people think of dangerous animals in the sea, they usually think of sharks. But sharks hardly ever kill people, unless in some situation. They don't kill people that often. Well, somehow once or twice we can find it. Yeah. Okay, the most dangerous sea animal, isn't very big. It's a small jellyfish. The body of the box jellyfish is about 20 centimeters long, but it has got about 60 tentacles, and they are about 3 meters long. A sting from one of these tentacles is very painful and it can kill a human very quickly. Box jellyfish swim in the seas around Australia from October to April. So when the jellyfish are there, nobody goes swimming. So yeah, it's a box jellyfish. So and then mosquitoes. The animal with the most dangerous bite isn't a snake or a lion. It's an insect, and you can find it all over the world. The mosquito. Mosquitoes take people's blood, and they also give malaria to over 300 million people every year. Sadly, about 3 million of these people die. 40% of the world's population is always in danger of malaria from mosquitoes. The mosquito is the world's most dangerous animal and it's also one of the smallest. However, it's one of the strongest too. Mosquitoes can fly for 4 hours continuously and they often travel 10 kilometers at night. Okay, so ini ada pertanyaan. There are some questions. Okay, this is very easy actually. The hippos in cartoons are A, like the hippos in real life, very dangerous. C, nice animals. Well, in cartoon, we can see that hippos are the nice animals, right? Number 2, hippos. A, run faster than people, eat grass all day, kill other American animals. No, it's A, yeah? Run faster than people. Number 3, a box jellyfish tentacles. Okay, what do you think? Can kill a shark? No. Can hurt people a lot? Not the tentacles. A, yeah, are at 60 centimeters long. There are mosquitoes. Wow. That bite lions and snakes that eat people. Well, actually A, yeah, in every country. Number 5, the mosquito kills 40% of the world's population. Yeah. Okay. So understanding ideas, answer the question, look at the text and use your own words and ideas. Okay, the text says hippos in cartoons and hippos in real life are very different. Can you think of any other animals that are in cartoons? Are they very different to the animals in real life? How? Well, tiger, right? Remember? And also the Pooh bear, the bear. But the bear is not that dangerous actually. But in the cartoon, it's very cute. Well, can you think of any other animals? Okay, number 2. Most people think hippos are slow, but they are very fast. What other things do you think are unusual about these 3 animals? Okay, most people, okay. Well, maybe you can just find it. Try to search about it, how these 3 animals are actually unusual that we didn't know before, right? Okay, number 3, can you think of another animal that people think is nice but that is dangerous? Well, you think, what is it? Nice. Snakes, no, because we already think that it is dangerous. What about other animals? Yeah, just think about it. Okay. Okay, this is the vocabulary. Match the highlighted words. Maybe you can just try to do it yourself. You can look up the dictionary actually, and you can check on in the internet. Ya, nah ini highlighted wordsnya ada di sini ya, tuh ya. Oke, nah, kamu bisa latihan sendiri tanpa harus dikumpulkan actually, tapi benar latihan buat latihan bahasa Inggris ya. Oke, ini juga coba kerjain aja. Oke, kita coba ya. Nomor 1 dan 2 aja biar nggak lama videonya. The plant is dangerous. A blah blah from it can be very blah blah blah. It hurts a lot. What do you think the answer is? Aggressive, bad-tempered, bite, blood, cartoons, continuously. Dust, insect, kill, mud, painful, sadly, sprinter, sting, tentacles. Okay, what do you think? Okay, I got from okay. A sting. Do you think it's a sting? Yeah, I think it's a sting. Yeah, a sting from it can be very painful. Okay. Number 2, these blah 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 start to fly into people's house at when the sun goes down. Oke, ini mudah ya. This, what do you think? Insects, right? At cartoons as at dusk, ya. Yeah. When I play rugby, my sports clothes are very dirty. They're full of blah blah blah. Mud, ya. My mom becomes angry. Sorry, bukan angry. Bad-tempered. and system, ya. He never stops training and he runs. What do you think? Okay, he runs a sprinter. He wants to be a sprinter, but training, and he runs continuously, yeah. Number 5, she really likes watching cartoons. She's watching one now about a sea animal with long tentacles, right? That takes people things from the beach. Be careful with that dog. It's always angry and bite. Look at this. Look at this. What do you think the answer is? Look at this. That's a bite. Blood. Oh, blood. Yeah. On my leg. I go to the hospital to give what do you think? Okay, I go to give birth every month. Not many people do it, and the doctors okay, sadly not people many, they need more donors. Oh sorry, number 7 blood, ya. Let's see, untuk nomor 6 nanti kita lihat lagi. Oh sorry, number 6, be careful with that dog. It's always angry and aggressive. Look at this bite on my leg, ya. Number 7 itu baru I go to the hospital to give blood every month, ya. Sadly not. Okay, all jellyfish have painful stings, but not all of them can. Apa yang belum sih? Can kill, ya. Can kill. Okay. That's all. Okay, so compound adjective. Nah ini pasangan-pasangannya ya. Kamu bisa lihat di sini. Bad itu pastinya tempered. Well itu apa? Well known. Second-handed. Well written. Second hand. Left-handed. Badly okay, first class. Good. Looking. Hard work. Berarti badly yang belum tadi apa tuh? Oke, badly written ya. Berarti kalau well known. Oke. Second hand, and left-handed. Ya. Oke, bad temper. Oke, well known. Oke. Second hand, left-handed, badly written, first class, good looking, and hard work. Okay, next make the words in the. Okay, ini ada kata-kata kalau ditambah full bisa ditambah sisipan, yang mana sisipan itu ada 2, sisipan di depan dan belakang. Nah kalau sisipan depan tuh namanya prefix, sisipan di belakang namanya suffix. So ini kebanyakan ada suffix ya, sisipan di belakang. Oke, coba lihat di sini, pengen jadi painful ya. Friend ditambah biasanya sisipan li, jadi friendly. Help jadi helpful. Wash jadi washable ya. Lalu ada cloud itu cloudy. Rain rainy. Enjoy enjoyable. Live oke, di sini lively jadinya ya. Oke, nah ini complete the sentences with adjectives from exercise 2 ya. Isi aja sendiri ya. Okay, my dad's very friendly. He knows a lot of people. You never see the sun in England. It's always cloudy. My brother's really. I always speak to him I always speak to him when I have a problem. Helpful. I was at the dentist this morning and my tooth hurts. Yeah, it's quite painful. Yeah. His books are what is it? Apa sih tadi? Apa aja? His book, okay, enjoyable. Yeah. Take an umbrella with you. It's rainy today. You can't. Oh sorry, number 2. It's always rainy. Ketukar mulu miss ya. Okay, I'm sorry. Number 6 baru cloudy. Number 7, you can't put this coat in the washing machine. It isn't. Okay, it isn't. Apa aja sih tadi? Okay, it isn't washable. Yeah, washable. She's really blah blah blah, and she's always playing sport. She's really lively. Yeah. Okay. Ya, ya, oke. Nah ini ada comparative adjective, actually itu grammar kita pada pertemuan kali ini. Oke, comparative adjectives. Oke, comparative adjective. Read the text. What is different between African and Asian elephant? So, gimana sih comparative adjective? Comparative adjective itu adalah kamu adjective kata sifat. Biasanya kata sifat yang seperti long itu kata sifat, large itu kata sifat, heavy is also adjective, hot is also adjective. So ini kamu lihat di sini short adjective itu tinggal ditambah er belakangnya. Jadi longer, larger, heavier, and hotter. Ya, hanya ditambah er. Kalau yang belakangnya pakai y, heavy seperti y, itu ditambah ier ya, heavier ya. Lalu ada long adjective yang lebih dari satu suku kata seperti intelligent. Kalau misalnya lebih dari satu suku kata atau yang panjang lah pokoknya intinya itu ditambah more ya, jadi more intelligent. Lalu ada irregular adjective itu yang tidak ditambah er belakangnya tapi dia berubah bentuk. Jadi good bukan jadi gooder tapi better. Bad jadi worse and far jadi further. Ini untuk adjective. Nah, kamu bisa lihat di sini than. Nah, than itu untuk perbandingannya daripada gitu kalau in bahasa Indonesia. Ya. Oke. Nah, ini ada komparatif superlatif. Kalau superlatif itu yang paling. Superlatif itu yang paling, seperti misalnya angry itu kan kalau komparatifnya jadi angrier than, tapi kalau superlatif itu yang paling. Jadi harus pakai the sebelum katanya, lalu belakangnya itu ditambah est ya, the angriest ya. Angry, angrier than, and then the angriest. Attractive jadi more attractive karena attractive panjang ya, jadi pakai more attractive than, lalu yang saja the most attractive. Bad jadi worse than, and then kalau superlatifnya yang paling itu maksudnya jadi the worst. Jangan lupa pakai the ya kalau untuk superlatif ya, sama belakangnya tambah est. Beautiful, more beautiful than. Superlatifnya the most beautiful. Big, bigger than, and then superlatifnya the biggest. Bitter, bitterer, and then superlatifnya jadi bitterest. Black, blacker, and then superlatifnya jadi blackest. Jadi the blackest ya. Oke, so seperti itu. Bloodier jadi bloodiest. Bluer jadi bluest. Ya, ini terus boring nih, the most boring ya. Nah, ini ada yang tidak pakai the seperti bitterest, the bitterest, blackest, the blackest. Nah, ini lumrah untuk tidak pakai the tapi hanya untuk kata-kata ini. Tapi yang lainnya itu semua pakai the ya. Oke, lihat di sini. Pattern best. Oke. Adjective and adverb ya. Jadi formingnya gimana? Misalnya kamu bisa lihat di sini. Kim is untuk comparative adjective one syllable seperti nice, brave, red, brief, cruel, cute, try, full, mad, mean, neat, slick, etc. Itu tinggal ditambah ir karena itu pendek ya, tadi kan sudah disebut ya, jadi tambah er. Dalam sebuah kalimat ngomongnya gini, Kim, jangan lupa harus ada to be ya. Kim is itu to be-nya. Kim is taller than Sue ya, jangan lupa pakai than juga Sue ya. Lalu kalau two syllables that end in a y itu tinggal ditambah er tapi y-nya diganti huruf i ya, seperti naughty. Nah ini dalam kalimat the puppy, jangan lupa pakai to be sebelum comparative adjective-nya ya. The puppy is not naughtier, lalu pakai than the kitten ya. Ini method 2 ini more itu yang tadi panjang katanya ya. Seperti beautiful itu kan lebih dari satu atau dua syllable, jadi pakai more. This painting, jangan lupa to be, is more beautiful than that painting. Lalu ada superlatif di sini. Nah, superlative adjective. Superlative adjective itu kalau one syllable yang katanya pendek itu tambah est. Tapi jangan lupa pakai the ya, jangan lupa pakai to be juga. Seperti gini. Kim is the tallest student in the class. Two syllable yang end in y. Seperti naughty itu that puppy is the naughtiest. Jangan lupa to be-nya. Lalu jangan lupa the-nya ya, lalu baru naughtiest yang belakangnya st. Kalau yang pakai kalau yang kata panjang itu pakai most. Jadi the most ya, the most. Jadi nggak exciting, jadi nggak usah pakai excitingest, bukan. Jadi the most exciting ya. Okay, this painting is the most beautiful painting ever created. Okay, and complete the sentences with the comparative form of the adjective in the brackets. Which ocean is wider? Okay, which planet is apa nih? Farther ya. Kalau farther jadinya. Okay, atau further juga nggak apa-apa. Number 3, which animals are more dangerous? Number 4, which country is bigger? Okay. Number 5, which animals are faster? Number 6, which metal is more expensive? Number 7, which is heavier? Yeah. Okay. Okay, compare places that you know. Actually, I have ini sudah buat soal di forum diskusi. Kalian membuat kalimat satu komparatif dan satu superlatif supaya kalian mengerti cara membuat kalimatnya ya. I hope it's about yourself, so please don't it's about yourself, so make it. Misalnya kamu punya penyanyi idola, misalnya Taylor Swift is a better singer than siapa gitu ya, atau my bag is more expensive than your bag. Ya, things like that. Lalu kalau komparatif mungkin bisa my bag is the most expensive bag in the world. Nah, bisa seperti itu. Ya, oke, coba buat komparatif dan superlatif. Besok kalau kita ada Gmeet ya, kita bahas itu. Oke, what you already did. Mungkin gak semuanya dibahas ya, karena kan kalian ada 20-an atau 30-an. Jadi mungkin sebagian saya 5 atau berapa yang kita bahas untuk mengecek apakah kalian mengerti komparatif atau superlatif. Okay, I guess that's it ya for this week. I hope you get something from this video. So please play this video ya until the end ya, jangan cuma sedikit aja. Okay, I guess that's it. Thank you for listening and watching till the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.